Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to create carved text in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Then select the word art option. Now I am choose any word art. Now you can select any. Now I am select this. Then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the shape format menu, select the text effect and select the transform. Now we can see here the carved text or the arc option. Now I am resize the text and make the text carved. Now we can see we make the carved text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.